Hi everyone, stuck washing machine filter. I will show you how to safely solve this problem. I leaned it against the wall to reach the bottom. I need to take off this main hose, so I first slide off this metal clamp. I squeeze the clamp with pliers and slide it down. Now I pull the rubber hose off the pump. Inside you can see a thick layer of dirt holding the filter tight. First I pour in some liquid Descaler to soften it up. Next I mix a dishwasher tap in hot water and pour the hot mix straight into the pump. It starts foaming right away and melts the grease. I try again, but it's still stuck. Time for plan B. I unscrew these two bolts to take the whole pump out. I unplug the power cable. As you can see, it's not complicated. I remove the drain hose and take the pump out. Now you can see all the dirt trapped inside. Now I'm using warm water. I use a screwdriver to gently scrape the hard scale out. I flush it again with hot water and Descaler. I tap it with a rubber tool to knock out the last bits. As you can see, it works. The filter comes out super easy now. If this helped you, like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.